Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, it's essential to ensure that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. A weak or intermittent internet connection might be the reason you're having problems with Yahoo Mail. Now, if it seems like your internet connection is not to blame, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. If you're using Google Chrome, begin by clicking the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser to open the menu. From there, navigate to Delete Browsing Data. You'll want to select All Time in the time range and make sure the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked before hitting Delete. Sometimes the problem can be as simple as a browser issue. If clearing your cache didn't work, try switching to a different browser altogether. Alternatively, you might want to try accessing Yahoo Mail in incognito mode or private mode. For those using Chrome, you can easily open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N simultaneously. This may allow you to bypass any browser-related issues that are preventing Yahoo Mail from working properly. Now, if all these steps still haven't solved your problem, it could be time to reach out to Yahoo support for further assistance. To do this, head over to the Yahoo Help website by typing help.yahoo.com into your browser. Once there, click on Contact Us. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose the product you need help with. In this case, Yahoo Mail. You'll then be prompted to enter your Yahoo email ID to proceed. After entering your email, simply click on Get Started. This will guide you through the process of getting in touch with Yahoo's support team, who can provide more specific assistance. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Yahoo Mail not working. So that's all for this video. Thanks.